If you want to change the look of the image in Google Slide, then what you can do is you can work around with the adjustment in format options. So here you can see that I already have an image, so I'm just going to resize this and go on to the format option. And then over here you can see that under recolor you see the adjustment option. So I can click on this, and here you have some settings to work around with the image. So you can see right over here that right now the transparency is set to 100% opaque. If I were to go over here and increase this, you can see that the image becomes transparent. Let me show you this practically over here on how it works. So if I were to go over here and then create a shape, let's say for example I have this shape, you can see that I have this shape right here. What I'm going to do is arrange this. I'm going to send this towards the back. So I'm just going to go around into, let's say I'm going to right click on the top, and then I'm going to order this and send this to back so that you can see that now the shape is behind the image. So I'm just going to select the image right here and increase the transparency. And what happens is that the image becomes transparent and you are able to see the object that's behind the object, as you can see right there. That's behind this image. You can go around. Let me just decrease the transparency now. And if I were to go around and increase the brightness, you can see that I can increase the overall brightness of the image. And if I were to go around and increase the contrast, you can see that I can increase the difference between the black and white in the image. So I can make it less of a difference over here by sliding this down. You can see that it becomes more of like a grayish image. But if I were to increase, then the contrast is turned up. I can decrease out the brightness as well, or increase out as per what I need. I can click on reset to reset it out onto the default state as well. And that is how you can work around with the image adjustment inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.